Hey guys, what's up? This is Yogi with a new tutorial in Photoshop. So guys, in this tutorial I will show the levels in Photoshop. So guys, what is the levels in Photoshop? The levels in Photoshop is just a function of in Photoshop which is used to adjust the brightness and contrast of the image. Like if suppose you have an image of high brightness, so how you can make on the lower contrast or maybe some lower brightness. So that's for that situation the levels is used. The level is work on many RGB format as well as CMYK format. So I will show you how you can use that. So let's get started. First of all, guys, you can get the levels at two different steps. Like simply Control L from your keyboard, and you can Control L from and you can find the levels panel. But I suggest you to go there and click on the levels because it can give you a new layer which you can modify or maybe retain for the next future projects. First of all, when you open the layer, you can find that levels. You can find that there are a white nap and maybe a black nap, like a black something. When you go there, the brightness is reduced. When you go there, the brightness is going to be high. Okay, these are 3 points, and this is a midtone point. Like if you want to change the midtone or something, like I have an image with high brightness, but I want to make it some lower brightness on that. So how I can make? So simply I go there and some reduce that. Okay, because the image look beautiful, and then I also make an output criteria from that and make also beautiful. Like this is only a single simple use of levels, but I will show you the advanced. So if you want some tint, like you want some color on blemishes from the image and making some type of different phenomena in the image which can give you a highlight or maybe something. So you can simply click on this drop option, click that, choose any color you want to add. You can choose from the other sources or maybe from this image. I want to choose like white. So this gonna be a this give a untexture effect because I choose the lighter color on the pale color. So for how you if you use that, so don't worry, simply click on reset and your image can be a reset. But before proceeding, I, I will again I will again of some brightness and simply click on that tool, and I can use that. And you can see by using a drop tool we can get a green layer blemishes layer on that. So how you can use this? You can set a point and you can display the preview. Okay, and simply you can create a new object or new tint from any object you can define. By using this I can also manage, I also brightness and right, and also can, yeah. Okay, next I will go to red, maybe green, so the brightness will be green and the image output is also fine. After using this, you can experiment on the blue also. You can make some blue tint, like, and our image is going to be perfect. So this is how you can use layer in different phenomena by simply those our image is like that, and we can make a new image like it, because this may looking very beautiful by using some tricks and tips on the levels. But you have to know that you have to maintain the pixelity, maintain the contrast, maintain the brightness of the image is very important. Because if you drawing something for a maybe more for a poster or something, so the color matching in RGB is not format, is not particularly pixel to make a new printout from that photo or maybe that project. So you have to retain the brightness as well as contrast. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please share with your friends guys, and please like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe the Yugo tutorial channels for the future updates on videos. So guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.